Jambo, welcome to Mama's African Pot. I'm very glad you're watching. In this video, we're going to prepare mchicha. This is a well-known vegetable in Mombasa. I'll do the mchicha with coconut cream. Karibu and let's cook together. Asante.
As I told you, I'm in Mombasa. And these are the mbogas of Mombasa. This is mchicha. What you find in Nairobi, it's a version of mchicha, but not mchicha. But this is an upgraded mchicha. Very nice with the coconut cream. Very super and sweet. So today I'm going to prepare for you mchicha. Coastal mboga. You know skuma is Nairobi, and when you say mchicha, mchicha is for Mombasa, and this is what we used to eat. We never used to know about skumas until when I was very grown. So this is what I'm going to prepare with ugali. So welcome. Let's do coastal mboga together, well known as mchicha. Please do subscribe, visit my YouTube channel. There are quite a number of African food I make to learn, to know, and to share an experience with you. If you're a new person, my YouTube channel is Mama's African Pot. I do food. I try to do mostly African food, but sometimes I jump to other nations. But mostly I research on African food and do them. So please welcome. Let's cook together. Thank you for watching.
To be honest, when I was in Nairobi, I really longed to get these fruits. In Mombasa, there are quite a lot of fruits, mangoes, oranges, and very nice and sweet pawpaws. So I managed to get some pawpaws. And another thing that I really missed and I really was looking forward to was the mchicha. Here in Nairobi, they sell it, but it is not as sweet or as good as the one in Mombasa. So the moment I reached there, I just sent for mchicha. I didn't manage to go to the market because it was rainy. So I just sent for mchicha and they brought in plenty. Like you can see, I'm doing the chopping or the cutting, and it's quite a lot. So I had my mchicha and I was very glad. And surely I'm going to prepare this, and I would wish you to accompany me up to the end of this video. I'll use the cooking pot. It brings out food very nicely. I'll also use coconut cream to make it even sweeter, though you can eat mchicha with just fried mafuta or oil, vegetable oil, but when you add coconut cream, it comes out very nice and very sweet. So I add my coconut grated. Now I'm just doing the squeezing to get now the cream. Then I'll just use after boiling the mchicha. So please welcome. Let's cook together. And if there is anything, any clarification you will want to get from me, I'll do it with a lot of love. Just ask and I'm there to give you the answer. Thank you. Let's continue cooking.
In the beach because we fear seaweed.
inside. I'm not swimming or swimming because I am not going to the beach. I know swim inside and make sure that you
Today I'm doing my mchicha. Huko mwisho hapo naweka hapo kwa kona mlango na hapo kwa hinges na nini. That's a better place. Utatumia akili. Kila mtu ana nyingi. Just put it direct to the speaker pamoja na tomato. Unajua kwa nini hakuna sufuria kwa tomato? Sikutoa kamawe. Unaweza? Labda una hiyo mimi. Coconut. I need it to boil a bit. Cook enough for it to boil. Called mchicha. Sasa karibuni tumwambia sasa. Hata naona tutafunika kwa ile iko na kuni pale nje. Ndio nikipika karibu. Si tunaweza kutengeneza jiko lingine kando.
Sasa umetengeneza?
Ametengeneza?
Lakini kuna mchungu.
Sasa Ndio hili tuweke pale. Mwambie atengeze hilo la mchunga, anaweza kuitoa kutoka kidogo. Kusudi tuanze kupika hii huo wali.
Yeah, I had to transfer my cooking outdoor because there's some other foods that I was preparing. So I transferred the mchicha outside. I'm doing it outdoor, and I also would like to have that smoky taste in the mchicha. It also brings out a very good flavor. That is what I'm doing. Just adding the last coconut and also warming the food, ready to serve. Karibu. There you are, a sinia full of food. There's rice, there's kachumbari, there's mchicha there, coconut mchicha, and my popo. Let me have a bite of the food. Accompanying me is my daughter. We are sharing the food together. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you are new in the channel, and those who have already visited my YouTube channel, I just request you to like, comment, share, and thank you so much. Your being there is quite a very good motivation. You made me, and I'm grateful for that. Thank you, and bye for now. Let's meet another time, same place. Thank you.